And it's upon the cross the ring. Fighting out of the red corner, wearing blue with white. Official weight, 117.8 pounds. He has a perfect professional record consisting of 14 victories, 9 by knockout, and he is undefeated. Since turning professional 5 years ago, he maintains an undefeated record, and after his 2 consecutive successful first round KO victory in Japan, he is now the OPBF Bantamweight champion, but his title is not in line tonight. Proudly representing Jerry Peñalosa Boxing Stable of Better Living